In today's fast-paced world of law enforcement, flexibility can make the difference between a closed case and a cold one. That's why MaestroVision's portable interview recording solution is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. If your station doesn't currently have a dedicated interview recording room, MaestroVision's portable interview kit is a cost-effective and practical alternative to building one. MaestroVision Portable Kit gives you everything you need to conduct professional, high-quality interviews without the need for permanent infrastructure. The system allows the recording of a touchscreen monitor, accurately capturing everything displayed on it, so it can be reviewed later and used as admissible evidence in court. For agencies that already have fixed interview rooms, the MaestroVision's Portable Kit offers a backup solution when your existing interview rooms are in use and not available. It ensures you're never left without a secure and professional setup, even during peak interview demand. The MaestroVision Interview Recording Kit is also ideal for creating a more comfortable and calming environment for victims or vulnerable witnesses. It can transform virtually any quiet space in your station into an interview-friendly setting that promotes trust and open communication. Compact, easy to transport, and incredibly fast to deploy, the entire setup can be installed in under 5 minutes. Unlike traditional fixed interview room setups, MaestroVision's portable interview recording system gives officers the freedom to conduct interviews whenever and wherever they want. In domestic violence cases, it's crucial to act fast. With the MaestroVision's portable interview recording system, officers can conduct interviews in the comfort of the victim's home, where a familiar setting helps them feel safe and supported. A sterile, cold interview room at the station might make a victim hesitate or shut down completely. With MaestroVision's portable system, you're not just recording statements, you're capturing the truth. Whether in a hospital to interview a patient or in a correctional facility to question an inmate, MaestroVision's Portable Kit ensures you never miss a crucial interview opportunity. With broadcast quality audio and video, every detail is captured with precision. The encrypted recording ensures data security, preserves the integrity of the evidence, and guarantees strict compliance with the chain of custody. Thanks to seamless integration with storage platforms, your recordings are instantly available to authorized investigators and legal teams, enabling faster case analysis and more efficient decision-making. With secure real-time remote monitoring, supervisors can stay fully engaged with interrogations from any location, ensuring constant oversight and the ability to make immediate, informed decisions. By eliminating location challenges and ensuring high-quality evidence collection, MaestroVision's portable interview recording system helps law enforcement build stronger cases and make communities safer. MaestroVision is dedicated to customer satisfaction, offering an industry-leading lifetime warranty on both hardware and software. Our 24/7 technical support, available 365 days a year and provided by MaestroVision technicians, ensures you receive assistance whenever you need it. If you're looking for the most secure, reliable, and efficient portable recording technology, we need to talk. Contact us today at sales@maestrovision.com or call 888-424-5505. MaestroVision, transforming challenges into solutions.